Hi, Tracy and Mr. Diaz. Thank you, Tracy, for giving me this opportunity to help you guys out with some tips and tricks. I'm going to be going over 3 things today about your website, content, backlinks, and citations, and then I'm going to show you the opportunity of taking these steps for your business. So the first thing I noticed was you guys actually have a free Google business site, and unfortunately these sites do not rank in Google, so it's great that you guys do have a good website here that looks professional. You guys have a good visual, you guys have some back pages here, and first I like to go over the content on your website. So right now I'm looking at the number of words you guys have, and unfortunately it's not a whole lot. You guys probably have about well, maybe 50 words or so, and most of these are just location words, you know, cities that you guys serve, which is good to have, but it doesn't help your ranking at all. So really there's not really much content on your front page. And with that being said, we do recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed, and we'll get to that in just a minute. But first I'd like to go over a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So in your case, like floor installation, or hardwood flooring in Atlanta, Georgia. And here's another good example here on your front page, Atlanta hardwood flooring specialist. Those are examples of keywords. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So I went into Google and I typed in one of the keywords, hardwood floor contractor, Marietta, Georgia, that relates to you guys, where you're located. And the first thing that pops up are these Google Guarantee local ads. These have a great conversion rate of 40 to 60%. And below that, you have a Google Map Pack. That's what this is called here. And this is super important. Since 30% of consumers will opt for one of these businesses, here in the top of the Google Map Pack, and it's great that I see you guys here on the 4th position. So going further down, the most important part of finding a business is going to be the organic search results down here on the first page, where 60% of consumers will opt to find a business here. So naturally, there is going to be some directories like Houzz and Yelp that show up, as well as Angie and Home Advisor. But the first person, or the first company that pops up as your first competition is Expert Hardwood Flooring, Floor Installation in Marietta. And this is David's Hardwood Flooring near you guys. So I went ahead and pulled up their website, and they have some more content. See, they have some more words than you guys do. They have some pictures as well, but they still don't have the recommended amount of content that you need, but I still say that they probably have about 500 words or so on their front page, which is good. So definitely want to get that content up with some relevant keywords that are location and service specific. Alright, so we've gone over content. The next thing I want to go over are something called backlinks. So here I have up your website in this program. This is a page program I use to research websites, and I put your competition in here as well to compare and see how you guys are doing. First thing I want to go over are these ratings right here. There's a DR rating and a UR rating. DR rating is the power of your website by Google, and UR rating is the trust of your website, and both of these things are raised by backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you might find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's like a popularity contest. However, not all links are created equal, so the best backlinks you can have are quality links that are relevant to your industry and that are local. So right now you guys have 430 backlinks, which is good. With some that are good quality. Obviously, that's why you have a 21 UR trust rating on Google. Looking at your competition, David's Hardwood Flooring, they have 1.5K or 1,500 backlinks, and their UR rating, trust rating, is higher than yours due to the fact that they have more quality and a more abundance of backlinks than you guys do. So theirs is 35. Once again, yours is 21. So I would definitely suggest getting a lot more backlinks, not just matching the amount that they have, but also increasing that by a few hundred more, maybe to 1,800 or more so quality backlinks. So the next thing I want to talk about are citations. So a citation is anywhere you might find your business name, number, and address shown exactly as per your Google Business profile. And these citations help you guys rank in the map pack, which I'm sure you guys know since you guys are number 4 in the map pack here on this search result. And you know, this is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. And citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, and a bunch of others. Social media accounts count as well. So the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is that you rank above them. So let's look at your citations. So obviously you are in the 4th position, which means that you're doing something correct. You guys have 41 citations, and your competition has 187. So definitely, I would get those up. However, once again, not just matching the amount that they have, maybe a couple hundred more, so probably around 300 or so citations that I would have. So you guys can continue to rank up in the Google Map Pack and maybe get yourselves up on the first spot here. Alright, so we've got our content and backlinks, and we've also gone over citations. And these 3 things come together, and you'll start to outgrow your competitors. And here's what you might be looking at and why this is so worth it. So we're looking at their organic traffic. Your competition, David's Hardwood Flooring, gets 328 organic traffic, whereas you guys get 63 organic traffic. So you guys definitely want to increase on those things, as well as your keywords. You guys have 149 keywords. Your competition has 834, which they're ranking for. Looking with a closer look at these, the best and most quality keywords are going to be your service and location-based keywords, such as Hardwood Floors, Marietta, Georgia. This gets 60 searches per month, and you guys are in the 2nd position for that, which is good. Another good one is Hardwood Floors Repairs, Atlanta. That gets 50 searches per month. Hardwood Floor Repair with no S, Atlanta, 90 searches per month. So you guys are doing some good things on these keywords. However, your competition is ranking for more service and location-based keywords. So for example, refurnishing hardwood floors, Atlanta. Now this is a really high search volume per month keyword that many people are looking for. They're ranking on number 1 for that in Google. There's quite a few more here as well. As you can see, the volume is really strong. And what I also was looking for you guys on this keyword here, Hardwood Floor Contractor, Marietta, Georgia, they show up first, and when I tried to find you guys on this, you guys show up on the 6th page. So you're not being found as much as you could be, and you're not getting the traffic as much as you could have. So you definitely want to increase on those things. So that about wraps it up for today. I just wanted to show you a few things to provide you some valuable educational content on how to increase your online presence and also optimize your website. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback. My contact information is below in my signature. I hope to hear from you guys soon, and have a great day.